Justice and the Executive Office of African Human Rights Office of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. His Excellency, Tinubu, Grandfather of all the Federal Republic, just visited by the Commander of the Navy to see the presidential limousine being sat there by the backbiters. The occasion is very unique. This is called International Anniversary of Nigeria, holding here at the forefront of President Nigeria. Highly defined.
Put your hands together, please. Put your hands together. You got there. Thank you. Thank you. Respond and adapt to changes in the constitution with the confined itself. Now, the ability of troops to manipulate and rotate the right is weighing 4.5 kilograms and carrying through each other shows the
The officer was subsequently commissioned on 12 October 2019 as Sergeant Lieutenant in the Nigerian Navy. Red Intercessor Major of the Guard Gate Master Warrant Sekiru or Motri. Bachelor in Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The ensign to the Nigerian Navy color is Navy Lieutenant Justin Bemshema Ore, Navy Lieutenant
to signify the end of a duty war and the beginning of another. Now the law patrol is made up of a select set of officers who are chosen based on their discipline and military level. They all undergo special training to ensure precision, uniformity, and ceremonial excellence. Those moments of food and handling are highly calculated, material to relate, computer graphics.
Colonel Yusuf now marches towards the position of Mr. President to give him the essence of today's ceremony. The officers and guards on parade will hear that shortly. Very distinctly delivered there by the parade commander, Lieutenant Colonel Ebe Yusuf, and has been presidentially given the permission to carry on the rest of the parade. Happy viewing, Your Excellencies.
For them to be patient. As we just started, we met a lot of things on the ground. So President and the Commander-in-Chief is doing everything possible to see that Nigeria will be a better country in the history of Nigeria, because he is going up and down to make sure that he gets so many investors to come and invest, particularly in the issue of security. Where
the message to Nigerians is that our president, who has laid a good foundation now for the development, especially the socio-economic development of this country. Certainly there must be some pains as we are suffering now, but these pains are temporary pains, because when you get a dislocation and you want the dislocation to be rectified, there is no doubt that you have to suffer some pains. So what we are seeing now is a temporary, it's a transition pain. But we believe that is the only way that we can lay a solid foundation for the socio-economic development of this country. Of course, the removal of subsidy has brought some hardship, but if we continue with subsidy, there is no doubt that this country must come to a standstill. So by removing the subsidy, that is the best way we can do. So the immediate measures that are being produced, and then the everlasting measures that are being produced, there are the issues that our president is looking into.
So today, beyond the ceremonies, my take is that it calls for a moment of sober reflection. It's not really so much of gaining independence, not so much of marking the 63rd independence anniversary ceremony, but how much have we been able to achieve in the past 63 years after independence? How much has every Nigerian been able to feel the impact of government in terms of socio-economic growth of the country? What is the standard of living of a typical Nigerian? What is the cost of living? Are we really feeling like an independent country? Those are the questions that we need to ask ourselves.
And I'm very happy to be here today at the State House on the occasion of the 63rd anniversary of the independence of Nigeria. We attended this morning a beautiful ceremony, and on behalf of the French authorities, the French Republic, the French President of the Republic, His Excellency Emmanuel Macron, on behalf of my team at the embassy, on my own personal behalf, I wish all the best to His Excellency President Tinubu and to the people of Nigeria on this very important day.
I mean, look, this is in any country there will be challenges, and we're part of that, the Community of Nations, and so we have our own challenges, but we are a very resilient people. And I will also just want to encourage Nigerians to continue to be resilient. We saw what was on display today. Today we showcased the unity of Nigeria, from the cultural groups to the military parade. Today in the military parade, the people that defend us, that stand for us. We saw Igbos, we saw Hausas, we saw Yorubas amongst the military parade, all coming together as one. And it's that spirit that I would want to encourage Nigerians to imbibe and continue to imbibe. They say there's no pain, no gain. Right now we're going through pains, necessary pains, I must say, almost